So we've got a monster giveaway, 10 bundles from our Amazon return totes video. So if you don't know what that is, I opened up a load of 8 massive big Amazon return totes, found some really cool stuff. If you want to see the video, go and watch it up here. And we had 10 bundles, which include a grinder, wired grinder. There's a makeup palette with loads of colors of makeup. We've got 3 drinks holders that fold down. We've got one of these neoprene laptop case holders. We've got a finger stretcher to strengthen your fingers. And then this is pretty cool. This is like an A4 frame that you mount on the wall, and then you can put your kids' artwork in it, and then as they keep creating more artwork, you can keep stacking it up. I love that. That's probably one of my favorite things that we found on the pallet. We created 10 bundles, and all you had to do to be in with a chance to win one of these bundles was drop a comment on that video and make sure you subscribed. We've got 510 valid entries. Thank you to everyone who entered. Let's draw our 10 winners. Our first winner is Alan IN3LS, and he says, those substantial empty totes must be worth for you, Bob. Yeah, the Amazon totes are really handy, to be fair. I've got 8 of them around here now, and they're all full of stuff already because they're just great to fill up, move around, they collapse quite well. But congratulations, Alan, you're our first winner. Let's go for number 2. We've got Sean O'Dragon, and he says, have over 300 finger workouts is absolutely mad. I do love the cute little whittling set you made. Yeah, so that was, we always got a bit of foam, and we found like a little wood carving set. We cut it in some purple foam, and that was pretty cool. That was one of the only tools we really found on that little hunt, but it's pretty cool. So congratulations, Sean O'Dragon. That's number 2. Let's go for the 3rd winner. Number 3 is Loft Tech UK. He says, incoming John and Jess. Yeah, so John and Jess, the True Blue Travelers, popped in to see me whilst filming the totes video, and we did some of it on live as well. So if you want to see some of our live videos, go over to the John Has Shown channel. I'll put a link up here. That's where all of the videos where all of these giveaways are posted and they all happen are over there. So if you've missed out on this giveaway, there's loads of other giveaways active right now over on the John Has Shown channel. We'll put a link up there. We'll put a link in the description. Go and check out all the latest videos. Most of my videos have got a little bit of a giveaway going on. So thanks, Loft Tech, for your comment. 4th winner is DCFC Gadders, and he says, I want to get myself an Amazon pallet, but my wife would probably go spare. They do take up a lot of room. They cause a lot of clutter. I would be wary. If you've got a garage, it's probably worth it. Buyer beware, I would say. Right, 5th winner is Steve Jackson, and he says, for me, the best things are those RC cars. Here I am 44 years old, and I want to do is play with a toy car. I'll never grow up. Well, RC cars, they're for every age, aren't they? You never grow out of scale electrics or RC cars. And we ended up with 6 on that pallet, I think. Next winner, our 6th winner, is Paul Conchi, and he says, great video as always, some interesting finds. Great that you donate a lot of it to charity. Yeah, so basically, we don't just take it to the first charity shop we see, we try and make sure that it goes to the relevant charity shops, basically. So we do send a lot to Bernardo's because they've got a distribution centre quite close to us, but we've also taken things to the food bank and some other different charities as well. So we make sure nothing goes to waste. That's the aim of the game, really. I don't want loads of stuff going in landfill. Right, so on to our 7th winner. Penster Ellie, that is a name I recognise. Thanks very much for your comment, and I'm glad to see you as a winner. That looked like fun. Those Diddy PCs looked interesting. Not too many tools though. No, not too many tools, but the mini PCs were pretty cool, and again, they went to the team quite quickly. On to our 8th winner, Intoxicated Part 2. We've got What Are You Doing with the Whittling Set? Always wanted to get into it and bought a penknife especially, but lost it camping. Oh no. I've got a bit of a collection going on of all of the tools I've found, and that whittling kit is a proud part of that collection. So I'm sure at some point we'll probably do a big roundup of all the cool and quirky tools I found from everywhere. That's number 8. Let's go for number 9th winner, Ben Bedford. He says, great fun video. That's a cool comment. So it just shows you how simple the comments have to be. You don't have to put chapter and verse. Just get involved, drop a comment below the video, make sure you subscribe, and then you'll be involved in the giveaways. So that is the 9th comment. Congratulations. Last but no means least, we've got Chairboy Rules, and he says, always love the Amazon pallet videos. Have to catch the next Monday live. We haven't done a live in a while, but we are going to start the Monday lives very soon. Let me know if you'd like to see a few more of those and what you'd like to see. The Amazon pallets though, we've done a few of them now. We've got a bit of a playlist going if you want to watch that and go and see all of the random junk and some tools I found on Amazon pallets. We've got a full playlist going, so that's that. But that is all 10 of our winners. Congratulations to you all. We'll get in touch with everybody and get their addresses, and no matter where you are in the world, we'll send this little parcel of goodies over to you. And thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.